Hello students, welcome to Sourav Sir's classes. The question is, for which value of the constant k does the function fx is equal to kx squared minus k squared x plus 3 have a minimum value at x is equal to minus 2? So now f dash x is equal to 2kx minus k squared. Now this needs to be equal to 0, or 2kx is equal to k squared. K cancels out and we get x is equal to k by 2. For this to be equal to minus 2, k should be minus 4. Also, f double dash x is equal to 2k, which is negative, which is less than 0 when k is equal to minus 4. So this would be 2 into minus 4, that is minus 8 less than 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2 would only give us a maximum and not a minimum. So option D, that is no value of k, is the correct answer. The next question is, there are two samples. The first of the two samples has 100 items with mean 15 and standard deviation 3. So n1 is equal to 100, mu1 is equal to 15 and sigma 1 is equal to 3. If the whole group has 250 items, so n is equal to 250 with mean 15.6, mu is equal to 15.6 and standard deviation is root 13.44. So sigma is equal to root 13.44. Then the standard deviation of the second group is, then sigma 2 is equal to, now we know that n1 plus n2 mu is equal to n1 mu 1 plus n2 mu 2. Now n1 plus n2 is equal to n. So n into mu is equal to n1 mu 1 plus n2 mu 2. So 250 into 15.6 is equal to 100 into 15 plus n2 into mu 2. From here you get this as one equation, and the second equation you can get it as, I'm using a different color, n1 plus n2 into sigma squared plus mu squared is equal to n1 sigma 1 squared plus mu 1 squared plus n2 sigma 2 squared plus mu 2 squared. And you'll get another equation using this. Just replace the value of sigma squared, mu squared, and we already know n1 plus n2, that is n, and also replace the value of n1 sigma 1 squared and mu 1 squared. Then using these two equations you'll solve to get the answer, and you'll get sigma 2 to be equal to 4. So option C is the correct answer.